must be so good so that it can be able to produce the results that are looking for. Okay. With that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll get my camera on. Get my camera on with another device. And perfectly, we shall be taking it away. Just a minute. I get into another device, then we take it away from there. Have you all across the world, and I want to welcome all the action takers, because it's only action takers that are money makers. If you decide to be an action faker, then you will not be a money maker. Okay, right. All right, here. Okay, right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, since I've been having some health issues, I'm working from home again. But I want to thank everybody, and I believe we're gonna take this to the next level. Okay, so today it is question and answer, and before we go into question and answer, let us first look at the market, because we live in the market, and since we live in the market, I personally believe that it's very important for us to talk about the market, ladies and gentlemen. So we shall. Okay, sorry for that. So let us look at the market, ladies and gentlemen, because that's where we belong. Then after we go in for question and answer. I do this to provide basic areas where you can personally check and see. I've seen news on Twitter where this guy was saying that yesterday Binance traded 100 billion. Yes, I see, because when I look at the trading volume now, if you see here, it's already 89 billion, meaning he was able to hit 100 billion from the derivatives. But we shall keep on the spot market, because usually while we are trading with our Royal Q platform, we use spot trading. And spot trading, ladies and gentlemen, is buying low and selling high purely. So we see that the Binance is at 29 billion. The opening up of the ETF, Bitcoin, getting onto the Wall Street has caused also the Coinbase to gain to now 6 billion, which is good news. And Hobby is down here still at 5 billion. Now, the ranking ups don't happen in terms of money. They usually happen in terms of growth, okay? The amount of money that has been invested in that particular. So let us look at the Bitcoin ETF opens for business in USA today, according to Market Moonsings. And we see that Bitcoin linked exchange trade fund. So Bitcoin has been linked to exchange trade fund. That's what we call ETF, because some of us may be wondering what is ETF. Is what we call exchange trade fund, and is going to be launched in the US for the first time ever. So ProShares says ETF will be known by ticker BITO, will make it's a New York Stock Exchange. It comes after the US company was approved by the US Securities Exchange Commission to launch an ETF that is based on Bitcoin features. This is significant because of how it allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin returns without owning an account at any crypto exchange. Meaning that someone doesn't need an account with any crypto exchange, but they can still, ladies and gentlemen, be able to trade this cryptocurrency known as Bitcoin. ProShare CEO Mike Spra said, "We believe a multitude of investors have been eagerly waiting to launch the Bitcoin linked to the ETF, the exchange. I've already explained, the exchange traded fund. After years of efforts to launch one, Bitcoin will open up exposure to Bitcoin to a large segment of investors who have a brokerage account and are comfortable buying stocks and ETFs, but do not desire to go through the hassle of learning the curve of establishing another account with cryptocurrencies provider and creating a Bitcoin wallet. All are concerned that these providers may be unregulated and subject to security risks. So how will the market react? Bitcoin is trading at 62, that was, I think, on Tuesday yesterday, 62,453 as Tuesday morning. And it will be interesting to see whether the ETFs causes the cryptocurrency price to engage closer. Okay, let me just meet someone here, okay? And regulators are not expected to make decision on approving the physical backed up BTC exchange traded fund until later this year. Okay, so we see so many articles now across the world talking about, I love the play game that happens in the world of politics, because after China came up with the idea of, now I will go to, that was CoinMarketCap, as I'm sharing. I love when China came up with the idea to ban Bitcoin or to ban crypto in their country. Then later you realize that instead of banning, they bought more. Now we see America switching in to bring it to the mainstream, which makes crypto now becoming mainstream. Now, people like us who are into this industry, meaning now more people can trust our industry. Now, this could be the right time for us to maximize profit, because I personally believe, this is my idea, that the market will still have a correction. You see, the market will not keep on rising all the time. It will receive a correction. Now, I usually love cryptocurrencies because, ladies and gentlemen, they provide ability for every new person to get involved. What do I mean? I know that crypto will have a market correction. It may not be this year, but next year maybe. And the market will go down. And when it goes down, it will be another opportunity for you to invest. So if you missed up on its all-time high and you feel like you have been left away, and maybe you wanted to do what we call holding now. Before I go on, let me talk about how to better hold coins. That could be my takeaway for today. Since you have been early here, we have I call them 3 ways of making money into crypto. The first way, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call hodling. I will not go into the history of hodling. The second way, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call trading. It could be manually or using a bot like RoyalQ. The third way, I would gather it up together. It includes staking, farming, and yielding of cryptocurrencies. I call these, if you are doing this, then you are doing real cryptocurrency and blockchain. But if you are doing these other things, there is a company, people who do the following. Okay, I'll just talk about them. People who do what they call, what do they say? The people who are running some ecosystem-based companies. You are not into cryptocurrency and blockchain. I believe you are investing to get returns, and it still remains a return on investment. You have exact amounts that these companies have set aside for you to give you per day. And so what so many people don't ask themselves is to go inside and try to rule out, how do these companies get this money they pay us? Most of the time, they are using your money. But remember, they are putting your money, ladies and gentlemen, into what I call personally a volatile market. And since they are putting your money in a volatile market, sometimes the market goes down than the expectations, and we find ourselves still losing our money. The question is, do you think cryptocurrency is a get-rich-quick scheme? The answer is no. But although cryptocurrency is an area that could shift you financially within a short period of time, so I would encourage for us to keep on educating our people so that they stop believing in getting rich fast and build what I call real wealth. Because there is a difference for you to be rich, and there is a difference for you to be wealthy, which I will not go into today, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So if we look at the hot stories that have been able to catch up the world these days, we have one of the latest news about Facebook, that Facebook through, let me just read this. I think I could. I believe Facebook could change, but let me just go and give this to you. Tells the senator of Novi, we are not actually Facebook, because there is a development, because on October 19th, sent to Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg, the senator, including crypto critic Elizabeth Warre, because we know, voiced their strong opposition to Facebook revived effort to launch a cryptocurrency and a digital wallet. Because if you didn't know, Facebook has been trying to launch their own cryptocurrency and digital wallet. Earlier that day, the Novik wallet was launched in partnership with Coinbase, with a plot in the US and Guatemala to enable users buy and send and receive Pax dollars, what you call USDP, through their Novik account. So there was a lot of news that maybe you could take time and read about, where Facebook was trying to look at a better way to launch their own cryptocurrency, and there is some fight. I think I will not go into this. I'll not go into the other side of their business. I'll stop it and leave it here. So, ladies and gentlemen, in the hot stories, as I come to the end, you'll come here. It's called Coin Telegraph. Follow it up and be able to listen. Okay. AMC gets hyperactive about crypto. CEO says it might issue its own coin. Okay. So many people now looking at getting involved in crypto. The question is, could this be an important factor from us making money? The answer is yes. The American multinational entertainment giant, AMC, is getting very excited about blockchain, and the company's chief executive is publicly marrying an insurance to own cryptocurrency. During the interview with CBC on the 12th of the 20th, so these are areas that bring confidence. Okay, now, when people get confident, ladies and gentlemen, about crypto, more people get involved in crypto. Whatever, one of the things I pray so much as I'm doing this industry is to allow other people, or is to allow cryptocurrency get into the mainstream. When politicians, when big companies across the world, when big nations across the world open up for cryptocurrencies, and gentlemen, when so many industries get into cryptocurrency, it is a bold step, ladies and gentlemen, that is making crypto, or more people to get involved in crypto, which now is our advantage. Now, what is the advantage? Ladies and gentlemen, it means that we need now to maximize the opportunity that we have, because it seems right now we are in the right time, because I usually last time talked about the factors that could determine someone to really develop sufficient wealth. One is timing. Yes, it's not very good for you to get into an industry when it has just started because it's all about innovation. But when you go into the right timing, when the industry like right now, crypto is at one of its important stages. Meaning if you are able to develop sufficient capital, you can really make good money. So that was Cointelegraph, ladies and gentlemen. I'll end with, let us look at the last one. Okay, and let us look at how other cryptocurrencies are performing. And let me try to draw you a picture of what I personally feel, especially into the next bull run into the altar coins, because so many people last time when I was here, I shared that if you have been trading using Royal Q, a quantitative trading bot, ladies and gentlemen, and maybe you have not been making profit and you were feared that all your coins have been in floating loss, I told you that very soon, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have a huge wave into the altar coins, and we are going to start making good money. If we try to look at how the market, this is called Mesario or Mesari. It is a platform or a website for professional traders into the cryptocurrency investment area. And if you look at right now, other platforms are still slow a bit. Okay, let me help some people. I don't know. I don't know what happened. Please respect the platform. Yes, it's true. You might be, but don't unmute yourself. Thank you so much. Okay, now, if we look at the Bitcoin, this is a platform. It's called Mesari. I will recommend it to you to always check it up. It also provides us with the latest market, how the market is performing in microseconds. I usually say in 1 minute. We see other platforms like Binance are already saying that the Bitcoin is still at 64, but it's already at 65,000 US dollars. If you look at Ethereum, it has taken another wave. You see Ethereum is at 4,180. Then we look at BNB is at 498. You look at Cardano has also moved, and it's at $2.2. People were complaining with Solana, and I said you need just be patient. Look, Solana has had an increase of 18.15%. So if you look at all these platforms, ladies and gentlemen, all the different cryptocurrencies that are available into the market, you see most of them are really picking up, ladies and gentlemen. So like I usually say, in crypto, okay, I think, okay. So that is what I would love to share. Please come up here on these platforms, take time and be able to read for yourself and be able to learn so that you could have a greater impact, ladies and gentlemen, into the crypto market space. Okay. If we look at also the other DeFi currencies, they're also increasing in the market, and the performance is really doing very well. Okay, before I leave this topic, I want to talk about how to be a good handler. Okay, let me go to blue. Will blue be clear? Okay, let me use red. Okay, how can you be a best handler? Okay, if you have thought about getting involved in cryptocurrency, you're enjoying your Royal Q, and sometimes you feel that you need to hold some crypto. Okay, you might have multiple wallets, and maybe you have the Trust wallet, maybe you have the Coinbase, maybe you have the Luno, maybe you have any other wallet. Okay, I believe you could be a good handler. Okay, how can you best be a good handler? One, ladies and gentlemen, do not invest all your money at once. The dollar average cost principle still works in holding. For example, if I want to purchase Ethereum, okay, and when I want to purchase Ethereum, I set a target. that I'll purchase Ethereum worth $10,000, okay? So if I want to buy Ethereum worth $10,000, I might give it a time frame or not, but I will say I'll buy $10 of Ethereum every single day. Now, this is the challenge with becoming rich. One, ladies and gentlemen, becoming wealthy, not rich, is boring. Why? Because you need to do the same things every single day repeatedly. The same things. So I say, I'll buy $10 of Ethereum every day. For example, maybe I want to get into crypto. It is my first time. And people are talking about, let me say, I will not mention, let me say the following 3 coins, okay? I believe one of the following, maybe Pacodat is doing, maybe will perform very well. Cardano maybe will perform very well. And I want to purchase these coins, okay? And maybe Shiba Inu, because of its derivatives, maybe they will perform very well. Now, what will I do? I want to hold these coins for a very long time, because if you're a $100, you must be thinking long term. What will I do? I'll buy $10 of Cardano today, and I'll buy every day $10, okay? $10, okay? And I set a target that I want to have, let me say, Cardano for 5,000. Now, for you to do this, you must have a recurring income, okay? Let me say I want to buy Cardano for 5,000, long-term mentality. What will I do, ladies and gentlemen? This is my takeaway for today. I'll buy $10 of Cardano and deposit them not into my Binance account, into maybe my Coinbase account, maybe into my Luno account, okay? And I buy $10, maybe in my Trust wallet, $10, $10, $10, $10, or $10, $10, $10, $10. So I keep on buying every day repeatedly. What am I doing? For example, if Cardano is at $2 today, ladies and gentlemen, and I buy $10 invested, and tomorrow Cardano goes to $5, I buy 10. You find that when we calculate, my capital remains intact, because I don't invest all my money at once. I'm holding, so I do dollar average cost. I buy when the price is high, and I also buy when the price is low. I buy high, I buy low, I buy high, I buy low, because my duty is to hold for a long time. Thank you. That was my takeaway. Thank you so much for listening this morning. And if you're able to learn something, then it will be sweet for you. I think tomorrow my takeaway will be how to buy crypto in the Trust wallet, okay? I'll be talking about coins and how you can be able to hold there. Our importance of being here is to provide you ability, ladies and gentlemen, to enjoy the crypto market space without being scammed, without being used by these people that think we lack information, and they believe they can consistently keep paying us 5%, 2%, 1%. So welcome to my morning sharing. Now back to our business, okay? Back to our business. That was just a takeaway. We are here, ladies and gentlemen, to do crypto trading. And we are trading, buying low and selling high of cryptocurrencies using a tool. And this tool, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the amazing tools. And this tool is known as Royal Q. Okay, it's the name of the bot. And what does this bot do? It buys low and sells high. What does the bot, okay, I see, I'm waiting for questions. I don't know whether Aminata has left. Okay, the bot buys high and sells low. And this bot that buys high and sells low, ladies and gentlemen, uses basically, I call them the 2 major principles. One, it trades in the spot wallet. What do I mean by spot wallet, ladies and gentlemen? In the spot wallet, there is no risk, there is no loss. It buys low and sells high, period. But what happens is that so many people complain when their total money in BTC above goes low. What causes that is that the coins that the robot has bought, their value has decreased. And because their value has decreased, the total sum up also reduces according to the market. But what happens if you are patient? When the market bounces back, all these coins have been sold off. The other issue I want to talk about is what people were complaining yesterday, when they opened their Royal Queue application, and it was saying abnormal network 502. What causes that? Ladies and gentlemen, when the Bitcoin roars, or when the market roars and gains too much momentum, there is too much bull run. When there is too much bull run, the robot cancels everything that is happening in the app and it focuses on the market. So if you could check your accounts, those that had been had put enough asset, that is fuel, those that had set their robots very well, the bull run paid you a lot of profit. Because the robot was now only focusing on selling and buying, selling and buying, selling and buying. And the sales that were made yesterday night were so many, to over the 500,000 people that use Royal Queue application. So if that happens, I expect you never to complain, to understand that the market is roaring, the market is having too much momentum. So what does the bot do? It cancels all operations and it focuses on the market, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling repeatedly. Okay. With that, I now want to go into so much of your questions. It was the takeaway for today. And if you learned something, then it is incredible to perfectly have you here this morning. Okay, now I'm open to questions. Let me start with Deborah. Yes, leader.
Good morning, my leader, and good morning to all the others. I have a question. My question is regarding the trade. I just want to know what strategy does the robot use to choose the coins? Because I've got a problem with my coins. The ones that the robot has chosen to trade with, they've been decreasing in value for the past month or so, and I've not been making any profit. Is it possible that I can direct the robot to choose as to which coins to choose?
So you have your own coins and you want them to be selected. This is what you are saying?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
So okay, now the robot doesn't trade all coins in Binance. Let me first make this clear. Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, the robot doesn't trade all coins in Binance. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't trade all coins in Binance. Okay. If we tap you on quantitative, the robot provides two major columns. One are the general coins. Okay.
Okay.
And these ones, the professional coins. Okay. These are the coins the robot trades. The reason why it doesn't trade all coins is because it doesn't trade shit coins, coins that don't have value and volume.
Okay.
Now, when your coins are in floating loss, like you said, what is happening is that these coins, the robot is buying more unless you stop the margin calls. The robot is buying more at a cheaper price for you. Okay?
Yes.
When the market bounces back, you land in too much profit. By the way, the profit you make when your coins are in floating loss is usually times 10 the profit you would make. Now, for example, let me use the Bitcoin, okay?
Okay.
If someone invested in the Bitcoin, right? Let me come here in the market and let me give you, maybe someone invested in the Bitcoin, okay?
Yes.
And as you see, it has been up and down. Maybe someone invested, let me tap here. This is 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, let me say someone bought the Bitcoin when it was at around, this is 50, is very near. Okay, it was at around 28,000, okay?
Okay.
And this person, the price was very low. And this person has waited from 2017, and this person sold yesterday at 66,000. The profit this person made when he waited for long is too much, not so?
Yes. Yes, I can see that one.
Yeah, than someone who sold when the price increased to 1,000. You get the difference.
Okay.
Now, what happens what happens in altar coins is this. For example, let me tap on my favorites. These are my favorite coins. Okay. Let me look at this coin. This is not USDT. Why is this a favorite coin of mine? Okay, let us come back here. Let us look at a poor performing crypto here. But all the crypto now are really gaining momentum. I'm even looking for one that is not performing well. I cannot see any.
No, I think mine is not performing well.
Could you share your screen?
Okay.
And I see what you are talking about, maybe. So I made you co-host. I stopped sharing, you share, because it could be better that way.
Okay. So you want me to, I will show you my Royal Q.
Exactly.
Account. Okay. Okay.
So what is happening?
This one, that's the coin. This coin has been going down for about a month now. There were two of them. I don't know what happened to the other one.
Tap on Cardano. Tap on the coin.
On what? Okay.
Tap on the coin.
Okay. Right.
You invested, what was the amount of first buy of this coin?
$10.
$10. But you see right now, it is the, you see the position amount?
Yes, I can see.
It's now $100. You see that?
Uh-huh.
Now it means more money has been invested in this coin. You see the position quantity?
Yes.
You now have 39 Cardano. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Now, do you see the average price?
Yes, I can see it.
Do you see the current price?
Mm-hmm.
There is a huge difference between the average price and the current price. Now, scroll down.
Yes.
Scroll down again.
This is just up to where it gets. That's
do you
all
see
that
where
I
we
get.
have do you see where we have a take profit trigger?
Yes.
It is 2.4. You see that 2.4?
Yes.
Now let us go back on top.
Right.
Let us go on top. Now you see your average price is 2.5, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The current price of this coin is 2.2, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you know what it means? It means
what does it mean?
It means that this robot has to take off profit on this coin when it is at 2.4. But the current price now in the market is 2.2. What you can do is the following. You can close off this coin in profit, okay? If you have enough capital. You understand me?
No, I don't understand that one. What do you mean I have to close it in profit? Hello?
I mean, you can close. What I mean is this. You can close this coin in profit if you want, okay? With what we call manual replenishment. You can add more money. You can add more money. You understand? You can add more money into this coin and close it in profit so that we move the average price near to the current price. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
You get me? You understand me?
Okay, yes, I understand that one.
Yeah, we move the current price near You get me? We move the current price near to the average price to close this coin in profit. You get me? Since you are tired of it. But the other thing you can do, the challenge, one of the challenge we face in making profit is if we are trading less coins with less capital. Okay, you get that? For example,
yes,
you are trading 2 coins, okay? Now, what is the probability? We need to look at the probability of you landing in profit is very little than someone who's trading 20 coins. You get the difference?
Yes,
because if one coin is
difference.
not performing good, another coin is performing good. Because what happens is that even if the robot chooses the coins, it does not control the market.
Okay.
You get the difference?
Yes, I do get the difference.
Yes, the robot chooses the coins, but it does not control the performance of the coins in the market. But if you have enough capital and there is a coin you feel that is performing good and you want to buy it, that you can do.
Okay.
All you can put this coin in one shot. If you have enough money in your USDT, select other good performing coins. So the challenge is capital. The challenge is not in the market, because even if someone has good capital, still they cannot control the market.
Okay.
I don't know whether you understand that.
No, I understand that.
So what do you want us to do? Do you want me to show you how you can do manual replenishment and close this coin in profit? Or you can leave this coin, then you synchronize a strategy with coins that are performing good at the moment.
Yes.
Which one do you want
That's
to
what
do?
I want to close this coin at a profit and change strategy.
You want to close this coin and change the strategy. Simple. You must have enough balance in your USDT.
Okay. So to close this one, how much do I need to have in my account, in my wallet?
What do you need to have in your wallet? Tap on buy.
Okay. Right. I've done that.
Tap on market price. Tap on market price.
Market price. Okay.
You see what? Then put in $100 here.
Wait.
Type $100.
Wait, amount. Wait,
there,
amount.
There where there is USDT.
Okay.
Now, what you see now the current price is at 2.2, right? When you put in $100, it moves from 2.2. Now the average price moves from 2.5 up there to 2.3. Do you see that?
No. Oh, okay. I see. All right.
You see the position profit and the loss profit from negative 10.72 to negative 5.38. You see that?
Yes, I see that.
Now add 10. Now you see from now it's at 2.27. Now, why I could not encourage you to put your money here is because you need to invest a lot in one coin so that you close it in profit. Okay?
Okay, I see.
I hope you see that, because you need to invest around $1,000 and more. You see that?
Okay, I see that.
Now what you do, if you have enough money in your USDT, You can just synchronize a new strategy. This coin will keep on trading and it will close at the right time.
Okay. All right. I get that one.
I think that's a better deal. Eh?
Yeah, I think that one is better. Okay.
Mm.
Okay,
so do you have
thank you
enough
so
money
much.
in your USDT?
No, I think I don't have enough money at the moment. This coin is holding the money.
It's only holding $100. It's
And
only holding $100.
I've got about 150 in my wallet.
Now you need to talk to people and make money, because if you want to make good profit in trades, capital is king. Capital is king. Capital is king. One of the factors that affect your profitability, look, for example, you are trading 2 coins, okay? The probability of you making profit is very little. You get me?
Yeah.
Because the number of coins that have the potential to make profit are few.
Yes.
So it goes back to the challenge with capital. So the best way for you to make capital is simple. So do all your family members and friends have Royal Q?
No.
You see? So you see? So you are saying you only want you to make the money. So if you tell them and they are trading, because if you would tell them, no, let me give you an example. You are trading alone, okay? But the opportunity provides 2 ways of trading. It has what you call personal trading, and it has what you call team trading, okay? I will not talk about the referral program. I'm talking about personal trading and team trading. What do I mean? If you introduce your brother, your sister, your mom, and your family friends, and they are trading, whenever they make money in their Binance, the robot makes profit. And on that profit, it gives you a percentage, meaning you are earning on your personal trades and the team trades. You get that?
Not the same? Isn't that referrals?
But what I'm looking at is, because you are making profit from yourself trading, and you're also making profit from them trading.
Okay, all right. I get your point. I get that.
Yeah, so you are not trading alone. Eh? That's my instance. Let us put the referral system of bringing people, because one of the challenges we face is everybody thinks bringing people is bad. But I don't want you to look at bringing people. I want you to look in a perspective that you are trading, making your personal profit from your personal trades. But as they are trading, making profit from their personal trade, you are still earning on the profit they earn.
Okay, all right. Okay.
So you can be able to continue topping up. Imagine, I'll not share my screen, but I've been looking at my account today, okay? And I was looking at, I'm just giving you a picture.
Okay.
And I was looking at team trade profits. I've already made $51.
Today,
team profits. Team trading profits. I'm talking about nobody has joined the team, okay? Nobody has talked about anyone, okay? Nobody has told the business to anyone. But as long as their robots are working, okay, I get paid.
Okay.
So it means it's not even about team, because the previous businesses of referrals we have been doing is that we are working with people, okay? And we want these people to work for us to get paid. You get the difference? But now you are sharing with your families to have a robot, and even if they stop working, as long as their robots are working now, it's not the people working for you, it's the robots working for you 24 hours, 7 days, 365 days in a year.
Okay.
So that should be the picture on how you should look at the opportunity. You should not look at the opportunity that you are going to bring people. Yes, it's true they're going to come, but the most important big picture of long term is that as these people's robots are working for them, I could share with you the screen here. I was checking some groups and people are super excited all over the groups. Why? Because they are now making profit, you get?
Mm-hmm.
And as they are making profit, don't you think they're going to add in more capital?
Yeah, they will.
Yeah, so as they add in more capital, the robot will make more profit. And you, the one introduced them in a business, it means you will be sharing on the profit that the robot makes for them, because the robot charges them 20%, meaning if someone makes $100, the robot gets $20. And on these $20, if you are still a V1, you are making some good profit. Someone makes $100, you have $4 on that. Now the $100 is dependently on their capital.
Mm-hmm.
Let me give you a live example of. Let me share my screen, because this could maybe give you a big picture to take decision to increase your capital, not because you need to look for more money to go and increase the capital, but you can dependently share, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I'm just going to look for one testimony here. I usually share this testimony. This testimony is for a family. It's from one of my great leaders in Namibia. This is a family testimony. The wife is trading and the husband is trading, okay?
Yes.
They sat down and they looked at the ability of their money in the bank to generate profit and the ability of their money to generate profit in crypto, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then they decided that when we keep our money in the bank, it doesn't gain value.
Yes.
So we are going to open up a Binance account, verify our accounts, buy a robot, and connect it to a Binance account as a family. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now, the husband invested 17,000 US dollars, okay?
Yes.
And the wife invested 29,000 US dollars. Now, what I want you to look at is that these people that are working, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe they're employed. I will not go into so much on their personal lives, okay? And whenever they come back home, okay, I want you to look at the following days. Let me look at 16th of the day. The husband made $509, okay, on the 16th, and the wife also made almost the same money. Okay, no. Let me get this other. Let me get it here. Okay, let me pick it here. Just give me a minute. Just a minute.
Okay.
So I want you to look at that picture. The wife shared the opportunity with the husband, and the husband understood the opportunity, okay? Now, they are all trading in the business, and as they're trading in the business, look at how they return home. Do you get the picture?
Yes.
Oh, I cannot pick this here. I think you get the picture, even if I don't go so much into this.
I do understand what you're saying. Yes, I do. I understand.
They are making profit as a family. But do you know what is happening to the wife? Whenever the husband makes profit, that's the big picture I want you to look at. Whenever the husband makes profit in all these trades, these are the husband trades. I think I need to send the wife's trades here. These are the husband trades. Whenever the husband is making profit, because it is the wife that introduced the husband. You get the picture now?
All right.
The wife introduced the husband. The wife makes money. You get me?
Okay. I get the point.
The wife makes money because now they are doing this as a family. Do you understand me? Now, because they are doing this as a family, the money is rotating in them.
Okay.
You get the picture?
No. Yes, I do get the picture.
So that's why it is important for everybody that is on this platform to share the business. Not because you want to make money. No, no. But you want the money to rotate in the family.
Okay. All right.
And as this is happening, you are personally making money from their personal trade profits, okay? But at the same time, you are getting that money and increasing your capital in your Binance to increase also your personal profits. This is not about referring people, not at all. It's someone getting a big picture of how much they can collect. As simple as that.
Okay.
And that's why I would encourage you. So I hope I've been able to answer you. Let me see if we have another question before I come to the end.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You answered my question. Thank you.
Grateful. Okay, anyone else with a question? I want to end very fast before I go to, okay, I see. Yes, Natukunda Grace, okay. Let me go to Aminata.
Good morning, my leader. Good morning, everybody. I want to be fast because I'm in the transport. My question is, I don't know how to, for example, convert in my Ubi, like if I need, like I have, let me give an example. I have a plan like maybe Hot or Dot or Havana, and I want to convert it into USDT to get more. How do I do it? Because I'm searching it and I can't find it there. Please.
Oh, what you do, I don't have a hobby here. What you do, go in your hobby, tap on markets, okay? Like it happens in Binance.
Share my
Let me
screen,
show you.
Please?
Oh, all right. I said you when you said you were in transport, I thought you couldn't share. Okay, share your screen.
Okay.
There you go.
Non par place, bienvenue. Assurez-vous de ne rien oublier à bord. Please make sure you collect all of your belongings. Por favor, no olvide recoger todo su equipaje.
Okay.
Now, after you have reached the market, you look for a pair. Okay, you look for a pair that has USDT. So tap on USDT.
USDT.
So your pairs are there. You are there. Now look for a coin. Okay, look for the coin that you want to convert.
Just an example. Let me pick that. Okay. Yeah.
Then you want to convert it to USDT, right?
Yes.
Then you tap on sell.
Sell.
Then it brings two areas. It has the right side and the left side, okay?
Yeah.
So usually what happens is that you need to tap on, because now you have not logged into this account. That's why it's producing like this. But you need to tap on 100% on this side, then it will sell off. Because where you see blue, you see where there is green, it is side for buyers. Where you see red is side for sellers. Now you tap on the other side where there is red and tap on 100%. You can tap on 25%, 50%, 75 or 100 and you sell it off. Then you'll have converted from that coin back to USDT.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Anyone else with a question before I call it a day? With that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for the time, for being here. Tomorrow, I'll be having a special training in the morning, and throughout the weekend, I'll have designed a comprehensive program to support the people that want to share the opportunity aggressively We will be coming up with a series on how to perfectly maximize Facebook, perfectly maximize Telegram, perfectly maximize Instagram, doing Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels. We shall be showing about Facebook Lives. We shall be talking about so many strategies people can use both on Instagram, both on Facebook, both on WhatsApp, both on Telegram, so that they can develop a following, but most importantly also so that they can be able to become more professional in using social media to build their business. Is there someone with a question? Okay, none. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I want to congratulate our latest V2, latest V3, as I see what is happening in the groups here. And I believe all will move right. God bless everybody. We meet again today at 2 p.m. South Africa Standard Time, 8 p.m. South Africa Standard Time. And I hope for the best. Thank you so much. I'll be trying to be offline today. I will not be so much online, simply because I'll be seeking some medical treatment, but I hope tomorrow I'll be better off to go.